Now, we study graphical representation of work. Graphical representation of work. So, let your force is function of x. Then, sketch graph between force F and displacement s. Okay. And suppose your body displaces from x1 to x2. Your body displaces from position x1 to x2. x1 to x2. ठीक है. to get work done in displacing body from position x1 to x2, we split this space into infinite strip of small thickness delta s. Such that thickness is such that force for this small displacement is constant. For in this small displacement is constant. So if this is x1, then this will be x1 plus delta x. This will be x1 plus delta x. Then work done in displacing the body from position x1 to x1 plus delta x will be dw is equal to f vector f dot delta x. Force and displacement for this displacement is same. Direction of force and displacement for this displacement is same, and magnitude of force is constant. ठीक है. So what is equal to scalar product of force and displacement. So f delta x cos of 0, तो f delta x cos 0 is 1. ठीक है. तो this give work done in small displacement delta x. This give work done in small displacement delta x. ठीक है. Now net work done W is equal to summation of this work done from position x1 to x2 give net work done from position x1 to x2. So W is equal to f delta x summation over f delta x from x1 to x2. Summation over f delta x from x1 to x2. If delta x tend into 0, delta x is very small, tend into 0, okay, then this summation changes into integration x1 x2 process of continuous addition is known as integration. Okay. So this summation changes into integration. So W is equal to integration of x1 x2 vector f dot dx. So this is your formula. So work done for this strip is equal to this. So this is your rectangle. This is your rectangle. The area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Your length is f. This is your delta x. Delta x is so small that this part is very close to this. So this length is f, this length is f. This is delta x. So f delta x become area of strip. f delta x become area of strip. ठीक है. f delta x become area of this strip. Similarly, f into delta x become area of this strip. This let force at this point is f1. ठीक है. Means this summation is equal to f1 delta x1. Let force at this is f1. ठीक है. And width is delta x1. Force for this strip is F2. Force for this strip is F2, and width is delta x2. And force for this strip is F3, and width is support delta x3, and so on. ठीक है. Then this summation is sum of F1 delta x1, F2 delta x2, F3 delta x3, and so on. ठीक है. So this is the F1 delta x1 gives this area of this strip. F2 delta x2 gives area of this strip. F3 delta x3 gives area of this strip. ठीक है. And F4 delta x4 gives area of this strip. ठीक है. तो this is the sum of areas of strip. This is the sum of areas of strip. ठीक है. So net order is equal to area of sum of strip. If you add area of each strip, then this area is the saddle region between displacement axis and fx force displacement curve. Na? This is your force displacement curve. This is your displacement axis. So if you add the area of all strips, then we get area enclosed between force displacement curve and displacement axis. So thus work is equal to area enclosed between force displacement curve and x-axis. Work is equal to area enclosed between force displacement axis, force displacement curve and displacement axis. So thus to find what find area enclosed between force displacement curve. This is your force displacement curve. This is your force displacement curve, fx curve. fx versus x curve. ठीक है. This is your displacement axis. तो area between force displacement curve, that is this, and displacement axis, that is this. This you work done by the force in displacing body from position x1 to position x2.